Proxy is currently experiencing a service disruption. Users are reporting connection problems, unavailable proxies, and difficulties accessing the platform. And right now, one question matters more than anything else. Is this only a temporary outage, or is something more serious happening? There is also another major concern. What happens to user balances, active packages, and previously purchased IPs? In this video, we will separate confirmed information from rumors and explain what users should do right now. The most important fact is that 9Proxy has published an official update. According to the company, the team identified an unexpected issue and is treating it as its highest priority. They also stated that they are focused on a stable and secure recovery instead of releasing a rushed fix that could cause additional problems. This confirms that the outage is real, but it also shows that the team says it is actively working on restoration. At the same time, there is still no exact recovery time. Has 9Proxy closed? Serious. So, has 9Proxy permanently closed? At the moment, there is no official confirmation of a permanent shutdown. The wording used by the company is service disruption, which normally means a technical interruption or outage. That is very different from a confirmed closure. However, users should still take the situation seriously, because the service may remain unavailable for an unknown period. Until 9Proxy publishes a new official statement, nobody outside the company can accurately confirm when full access will return. For users who depend on residential proxies every day, even a temporary outage can create serious problems. Advertising campaigns may stop, accounts may lose stable sessions, automation tools may fail, and web scraping or SEO monitoring may be interrupted. If your work depends on a single provider, one technical incident can affect the entire workflow. That is why this situation is not only about whether the website opens, it is also about business continuity, account safety, and whether users have a backup solution ready. The biggest question is the balance. What will happen to unused funds, active packages, and purchased IP addresses? Right now, there is no confirmed public answer. Only 9Proxy can provide accurate information about balances stored inside its own platform. No reseller, third-party store, Telegram administrator, or other proxy provider can access or modify the internal balance of a 9Proxy account. If the platform is restored, balances may return normally, but nobody can guarantee that until an official update is published. The best thing users can do now is save proof of everything. If you can still access your account, take screenshots of your balance, active packages, purchased IP addresses, expiration dates, and account details. Save all order confirmation emails, payment receipts, transaction IDs, order numbers, activation codes, and payment dates. If you paid with cryptocurrency, save the transaction hash. If you paid by card, keep the bank or payment processor confirmation. These records may be important if you later need support or clarification. Do not share this information publicly. Never post your email address, order number, transaction details, account password, verification codes, or wallet information in public Telegram groups, Discord servers, or YouTube comments. Large outages often attract scammers who pretend to be support agents. They may promise to restore your account, recover your balance, or reactivate your proxies in exchange for a payment or private information. Do not trust these offers and never share a recovery phrase or two-factor authentication code. Contacting Support 9Proxy has provided the following support email: supports@9proxy.com. When contacting support, explain the problem clearly and include only the information needed to identify your account or order. Do not send your password, private wallet keys, or security codes. Also remember that support may respond more slowly than usual during a large service disruption. If thousands of users are contacting the team at the same time, delays are expected. So keep your message short, factual, and easy to verify. The main lesson: this situation is also an important lesson. Never depend entirely on one proxy provider for a critical business process. Even a reliable service can experience maintenance, infrastructure failures, regional restrictions, or unexpected technical incidents. A backup provider can keep advertising, account management, automation, and data collection running, while the main service is unavailable. The goal is not to replace a provider immediately, but to reduce risk and avoid a complete shutdown of your own workflow. Proxy Universe clarification. Proxy Universe is not affiliated with 9Proxy and cannot access 9Proxy user accounts or internal balances. If a customer purchased an order directly through Proxy Universe, our support team may be able to verify information related to that store order, such as payment confirmation, order date, delivery status, and the product or activation code that was issued. However, Proxy Universe cannot restore a 9Proxy account, change a 9Proxy balance, or make decisions on behalf of the 9Proxy team. So, here is what we know right now. 9. Proxy has officially confirmed a service disruption. The company says it is working on a stable and secure recovery. There is no exact restoration time yet. There is also no official confirmation that the service has permanently closed. And there is not enough information to guarantee what will happen to balances, active packages, or unused IP addresses. For now, save your records, protect your account, avoid scammers, and follow only official updates. At the time of recording, the 9Proxy website is unavailable, and users cannot properly access the service or check their account information. There is still no confirmed restoration time, and the status of user balances and active packages remains unclear. If you are also affected, write in the comments how long the service has been unavailable for you, and whether your proxies stopped working at the same time. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next update. We will publish new information as soon as 9Proxy confirms the restoration of the service or provides details about user balances, active packages, and possible compensation.